say hello to our friends. Princess Peppa, Candy Cat, Pirate George, and Chase the Rescue Pup. One day, Miss Rabbit decided to visit Peppa and her friends. "Ruff, what are you doing here, Miss Rabbit?" said Chase. "I'm here to hide these surprise eggs for you children." "Wow, I love surprise egg hunts," said Peppa. "I'll just go and hide these surprise eggs, everybody," said Miss Rabbit. Look at all those Kinder Surprise eggs. "I can't wait for the surprise hunt to begin," said Candy Cat. "Ruff, Chase is on the case. I'll find that egg. I think I'll save my egg for after tea," said Peppa. "What about you, George?" "I'm back, everybody, and the eggs are all hidden," said Miss Rabbit. "Make sure you don't go too far, everybody. I'll go first. No job too big, no egg too small." It looks like Chase has borrowed Marshall's fire truck. And what's this he's found? It's the first surprise egg. How are we going to get that surprise egg down, Chase? Don't worry, everybody. Chase is on the case. I'll get that egg. "Hi guys, I'm back and look what I found." "Chase, you found the first surprise egg," said Peppa. "Now it's my turn. Bye everybody." Peppa jumped in Miss Rabbit's buggy and she headed off to find her surprise egg. But oh no, what's this in the way? It's a giant wall. How are we going to get through? Can you see what's on top? It's the second surprise egg. Peppa raced up the side of the wall. Look out, Peppa. "Hi guys, I'm back and look what I found." "Wow, Peppa, well done. I'm going to go and find my egg now," said Candy Cat. "What's this you found, Candy Cat?" "Wow, it's a giant bulldozer. Are you going to get in?" "Oops, wrong way, Candy Cat." "Look what you found in the middle of the road." "I'm back with my surprise egg." "Well done, Candy Cat," said Chase. 1, 2, 3 surprise eggs. Where are you going, George? "Wow, George, look, a nice pair of sunglasses." "What can you see behind them, George?" "Yay, you found the last surprise egg." Let's take it back to the others. "Well done, George, you found the last surprise egg." "Yeah, George, well done." "I knew you could do it, George." "Hello, children, did we all find the surprise egg?" "Yes, Miss Rabbit, but there seems to be one missing," said Chase. "Oh, don't worry about that, Chase. I've hidden that one for later," said Miss Rabbit. "Come on, children, let's get you home to your parents." Thank you all for watching. See you again soon. Bye!